According to my PictoBlox international teacher training program on Python, we have some test your skill category. Under that, I try to create a small program, symbol calculator, right? So that I come back to my desktop, and I'm using the PictoBlox application. Under that, I choose a Py editor, which means the Python editor. I want to skip it and I delete those things, right? So first of all, I want to get two numbers from the user. So I don't know whether the number is which one. So I just put a variable n1 equal, and then the number is an integer. So I mention that int and then get an input. I ask the user enter the number. So this way I get ask the number through input. That is, I get that from the number. So I indicate int, right? Automatically that's the number goes to in one variable. So then I put an n2 for the second number. That is also the number, the type of integer. I get an input from the user. How I get the input from the user? I show the message into the number. I want to make an addition as well as subtraction, then division, and then multiplication, like that. So these are the variables. So I put on that way, the meaningful way, right? Equal n1 plus n2. Similarly, subtractions equal n1 minus n2, and the division equal n1 divided by n2, right? As well as multiplication n1 into n2, right? And then print, that is the f string, addition. Addition is, I put an n1 as well as the plus symbol and then n2 variable plus equal. The total is addition. You can get the total from the addition variable. So I put on this one, right? Addition. Similarly, I copy that code and I say subtraction. Subtraction is n1 minus n2 subtraction. But I'll copy that. Subtraction variable name. Select, copy, and paste subtraction. But as well as print, then I paste the code. Select that code and then paste it. It's a division, so I copy that division. So I put the symbol division. Division. After that, multiplication. So I copy that previous line and then paste it. So there is a multiplication. I put the asterisk in that one. Right, and then run the code. So it asks a number from me, so I put just a 10 as a small number and then 2, press enter. You can see the output.